Good morning, boys. Stripe just woke up in the garage. He's thinking about coming over. I accidentally left Morris's dry chow in with Gray's food. I ran back in to get it, and that caused Morris to move around a bit here. He'll go back to his food. Hey, buddy. Good deal. Come here, guys. Your food's all over here now like it's supposed to be. Come here. There you go. Sorry I forgot the dry chow bowl in the house the first time. Hey, bud. Good morning. Good morning. You excited? We've got chicken. Yeah, we've got chicken. There you go. There have been a couple of wind gusts this morning. Woo! We had a little drips of rain move through last night, kept it cloudy and warmer. But tonight, I think the bottom's going to fall out of the temperatures. Hopefully not, but I think so. Hello there, Missy. Hi. Whoops. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just a bag for the litter. Hi, well, you ate up all that chicken I brought you. Yeah, it's good. I did do a chicken when we got home yesterday, even though I was tired. I'm going shopping with Michelle. I'll be back later. And you have your buddy.
Oh, yes.
He's right there beside you, keeping you company.
Right.
It's warm in this room. This was the first event off the heat pump. It's warm in here.
Yeah, this is the one that gets most of the heat. That's right.
Yeah.
Well, you have fun.
We'll get back on track with our walk tomorrow. Don has a busy day after he took off to be with me yesterday. That's so we'll get back on it. Plus it's pretty windy out there this morning. It's cold and windy.
I pulled the car out for Ruby out for Kitten, and I didn't wear a jacket out there, and that wind cut me. But just walking between the house and the garage. Of course, I did make 2 trips because I loaded up her stuff. Oh, and you have a software update for Ruby.
But it's not .7. It's still .6 over and over again.
Oh,
yeah.
I didn't install it. I leave all that up to you.
Yeah, I think it's .6 and I'm not touching it. I'll put on .7 if it shows up, and I'll definitely put on .10 if it shows up. We think .10's V12.
Right. Well, yeah, I guess with the appointment, before you cancel the appointment, my recommendation is we do install whatever it is to get it back on track.
Well, I asked them to ask the tech, Brian, what was going on with that showing up again, and they haven't answered me yet.
Well, we got time.
We got time.
Well, lots of time.
I love you, but don't come over here while I'm moving Ruby out. He thought I was going to sit in the end of the porch and love on him. I'm sorry, buddy. It's too cold, and thought I was early, and now I'm late. Oh, good morning, Ruby. Yeah, I'm sure whatever this is just .6 again. Well, it's not telling me there. I guess I gotta click up there. I can click on it and not install it. It's .6 again. Okay, he stayed on the boardwalk. Be back in a bit, Tux. Be a little warmer to sit with him in the sun this afternoon. And he's right to point out that I didn't spend as much time with him yesterday like normal. Him or any of the kitties. I just wasn't, you know, I can only do what I can do when I'm actually home. Oops, I'm speeding on the driveway. I'm doing 10 miles an hour instead of 5. I saw that they had painted the rest of the lines at the environmental park. The cones were up and they were all roped off. We wouldn't have been able to park in our normal spot there this morning anyway, although it was a South Park day. Yeah, Ruby's telling me she's cold, which is expected. There's a new symbol showing up on the horizontal screen cars that shows limited regen. It's a green symbol that has kind of like a meter with a charging symbol in the middle of it. And I guess that's newish, especially for FSD beta drivers and cars. Similar to what Ruby conveys when she puts up the yellow triangle. I'm sure they won't go back and update Ruby to show me that to use the new symbol. They don't do a lot of updates to the older vertical screens, and I already have a way to know that. Yeah, we appear to have, I don't know, 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts this morning, so I think Dawn did me a favor by not walking today. Well, we didn't think we were going to get to walk yesterday, but we did. And so today we thought we'd walk, but life got in the way. So anyway, it's awfully windy out there. I don't normally wear a jacket, the Guardian Angel, and I have on my jacket. Michelle's on her way. I told her to meet me in Thriftronics. I think her kids are back in, the high school kids are back. 50% off lamps. Yeah, they're desperate to give some lamps away. They have too many lamps. Well, I am looking for another toaster oven for holidays. But it's got to be the right one. But they have some good deals. These are all like $8 or $9. But one that will take a larger... See, this one has kind of like the pizza rounded back. That would be good. I got this sparkle lava lamp for $4.50 because the lamps were half price. It's missing the little cap at the top. But I'm going to throw out the one not working at my house and use the cap on that one. I got this for $10. It's a little hard to program, but I figured it out without having to look at the manual. So that's good enough. And Michelle, she has Grogu. Isn't it the cutest? I know, how could somebody buy that, not use it, and then just leave it at the park? I don't know how that could I told her the truth about how Dawn and I found it, but
the story is even better.
But fate, it was just meant for me, it to come to you through me. It was just meant for it.
This.
I know, right? They have Valentine's Day stuff out. Yay! Sandy toes and salty kisses. There's a lot of ocean themed stuff today, so if you were looking to decorate your beach house, I think you could find some things.
Marianne, there's some clings. You know you like your 50 cents.
And 50 cents. 50 cents works for me. All right. Oh, they are. Well, let's just clean that out.
Yeah, we're gonna have to take off.
This frog is meant to be outside, and he's going home with me for the garden. And then I found the kitty and the mouse for $1. Aren't they adorable? Oh my goodness, he's so cute, Michelle. Oh, it's a bunny. I couldn't even tell there for a minute. It's a bunny. It's a bunny. That's a really good price for a box of unopened wall clings, but I don't know. I'm going to pass. I have a few I've bought and I've not put them up. Michelle's got bags and candles and some tissue paper and storage. You know how Michelle is about her storage. Are you not the storage girl? Yes. This is wood shavings. I thought it was like really carefully rolled paper, but it's wood shavings. It's pretty darn neat. $4? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's worth $4. That's a watering can. It's a little pig. It's so cute. Are you feeling good?
Yo, this is nice.
They have some of the nicest stuff. What's that for? That's a kitty litter thing. Yep, that's exactly what that one is. Yep. I'm looking for a Slage lock for us. But there's just one quick set here today, and it's an indoor lock instead of a keyed outdoor lock, so that's not going to work. But look at these door pulls. They're beautiful. $10 for the whole bag. It's got knobs and pulls. I mean, if I was redoing, I mean, those are just gorgeous. I love them. She says, these feel weird. I think I'll try them. I was like, Michelle.
It's like they're half soft and half felt.
Okay. Why is life hard? If you're one of my kitties, life is not hard. I don't get it. Okay, this is made by Perfect Curve Incorporated, and we do not know what it is. It's like this rope, and there's 10 of them on there. It's like some sort of insert. Michelle's looking it up. Figure it out, Michelle.
I'm trying.
Okay, Michelle found it. It is a ball cap rack, and it's labeled after I made her look it up. Keeps the bills, the rims, I guess it keeps it right. I like these. They fit. They fit well.
It looks like a sleeve stack.
We want to take these home. They're only $6. They weren't worn, but they're an 8. They're too small for me, and they're too big for Michelle.
In there.
We did. We scored pretty good. We did, especially Michelle. Bye, girl. Love you too. Sometimes, guys, I do need to use the counter. Hi. 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 Hey, Stripe. You glad Mama's home? It's awful windy and cold out there today. This is my haul today. There's 3 sets in here. They're plastic. One for Jules, one for Ruby. They were $2 a piece. 50 cents a piece, and there's 5 or 6 of the gel clings. There's actually 3 different ones, and then there's 3 of the hearts. Actually, no, they're all, like Michelle said, they're all different. So there's 3 hearts, a giraffe, and a bear. Because if I really did need a luggage tag for 50 cents, that one would be awesome. The little miniature, it's Torx, Phillips, and flat. And for $3, you don't have to worry about them. They could get thrown in the car. They could get thrown in Johnny's robot bin. They could get thrown in Don's toolbox. This was only $1, and I really like owls. So it came home. You saw the kitty. This is the frog. I'm going to take that out to the garage until the spring. And then the pair of gloves was $2. The kitty was $1, $3, 50 cents, 50 cents a piece, $2 a piece. So there was also some Legos, which I might talk about later. I'm very excited to have some time to work on this. The 3 inverted slope pieces came. Of course, the seller had like 8 or 9 in stock, so I just ordered all of them because they're not expensive, and I'm hopefully never have to order them again. I don't want to put this handsome guy back outside because it's about time for Spot to come eat, and I don't want them to meet. But on the other hand, I'm having to do a lot of cat management to keep him away from my Lego. Make it so you can see in the time lapse, you know, all of that good stuff. He will not. He just wants to be near his mama, and that's just all there is to it. Hi, cute stuff. This box of Legos is so totally awesome. You know, I'm building all of this medium nougat right now, and this is just a small handful out of the box, and look at all the medium nougat. It very easily could keep me from having to order more. It's all clean. It's all Lego. Wow, what a great box. Well, I made really good progress tonight, and no, this is not a seating area. Inside of here, it just is, it gets hidden. But I did get the bed and the little desk and chair and a bunch more wall done. Starting to build up over here now. This little cord over here on the side. So I made really good progress, but it's time for ribs now.